Sambhal during ASI examination of a mosque. Construction has now begun on a new police outpost in the area after a ceremonial Bhumi Pujan that was performed. The additional superintendent of police of Sambhal stated that the Bhumi Pujan of a new police outpost near Shahi Jama Masjid has been completed and this outpost is being established for security reasons.
संभल नगरी क्षेत्र में स्थित जामा मस्जिद के आसपास संवेदनशीलता को दृष्टि रखते हुए काफी लोगों द्वारा अपेक्षित था कि यहाँ पुलिस चौकी का निर्माण किया जाए। फोर्स यहाँ काफी रहती थी, उनके आराम से रहने एवं लगातार कार्य करने के लिए चौकी का निर्माण किया जा रहा है, जिससे वे सुरक्षित रह सके।
This establishment of a new police outpost near the very position there, when it comes to the location said to be last month where violence broke out, has also led to a lot of politics taking place. The move that has sparked off criticism from the opposition leaders slamming the Yogi Adityanath-led government. Owaisi took to social media platforms stating that the government seems to have funds only for opening police outposts and liquor bars while neglecting essential services like money for building schools and hospitals. The Samajwadi Party too in the same line has criticized the administration, accusing the UP government and the police of bias in their operations and one-sided action during the Sambhal violence.
कानून व्यवस्था बनी रहे, शांति बनी रहे, पुलिस प्रशासन निष्पक्ष होकर काम करे, चौकी बनाने पे किसी को कोई एतराज नहीं। समाजवादी पार्टी समझती सुरक्षा व्यवस्था की दृष्टि से अगर वहां चौकी बन रही है तो उस पे किसी को क्या एतराज हो सकता है। लेकिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार में जिस तरह से संभल की घटना में एक तरफा कार्रवाई हुई है, उस पे समाजवादी पार्टी पहले से सवाल उठाती रही है। हम उस सवाल को उठाते रहेंगे। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार अगर सुरक्षा व्यवस्था को देखते हुए कोई चौकी बना रही है, खोल रही है, तो उस पे कोई एतराज नहीं है। लेकिन जो कार्रवाई हो रही है संभल में, वो निष्पक्ष कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
Now, in response, the BJP has hit back at Owaisi, calling his views as communal and divisive. They've argued that Owaisi opposes every initiative, whether it is a court-ordered survey or a construction of a police outpost in Sambhal, and that too for security reasons, for maintaining law and order.
असदुद्दीन ओवैसी की सोच सांप्रदायिक है, विभाजनकारी है। हर बात में उनको समस्या नजर आती है। जब कोर्ट सर्वे का आदेश देता है उसमें भी उनको समस्या होती है। कोई विभाग अगर कोई जरूरी कागजात मांग ले उसमें भी उनको समस्या होती है। अब संभल में अगर पुलिस चौकी बन रही है उससे भी उनको समस्या हो रही है। उत्तर प्रदेश में योगी आदित्यनाथ जी मदरसों का मॉडर्नाइजेशन अगर करते हैं तो उसमें भी उनको समस्या हो जाती है। दरअसल असदुद्दीन ओवैसी की विभाजनकारी और सांप्रदायिक राजनीति को देश में कहीं कोई स्थान नहीं मिल रहा है, इसलिए बार बार वो इस तरह से अपने आप को चर्चा में बने रहने के लिए प्रयास कर रहे हैं।
Let's get in a word from Pradeep Datta, who's joining us live right now. Pradeep, now you've been reporting from the same area there. How close is this police outpost to the very place where the violence broke out last month? And the questions that are being raised over it, actually, what exactly is the criticism when it comes to establishing a police outpost in Sambhal?
See, the area where the police post is being constructed, this was a barren piece of land that is just opposite the Jama Masjid Mosque entrance. And why this police post is coming up? Because the government is trying to basically bolster the security system, and because this area was epicenter of violence on November 24th, when large number of people they started pelting stone while survey was being conducted inside the Jama Masjid Mosque. It was not only about pelting stone; it was also about that somebody from within the mob also opened fire, and later on the forensic laboratory team, they recovered empty cartridges made in Pakistan Ordnance Factory, and also some of the cartridges were made in the United States. So they are trying to find out where from they got these cartridges that were made in Pakistan Ordnance Factory. So that's one of the reasons they do not want that any such situation should arise in that area in the future. That's why they are trying to ensure the security, because there are certain elements who want to instigate, provoke. They do not want the 1978 kind of a situation should be there, because in 1978 Sambhal witnessed the worst ever communal riots, because of which many people putting up in that area, they had to abandon their hearths and homes, so Hindu community had to leave. So now they are trying their level best to ensure peace and normalcy. But unfortunately, leaders like Asduddin Owaisi rightly said that he is trying to instigate, provoke, and once again look at the things with the communal glasses. This has nothing to, because this land doesn't belong to Jama Masjid. Either this chowki is being constructed inside Jama Masjid. It is basically a land opposite Jama Masjid. So it's only for the security, because if peace and normalcy remains, only then they will be able to save that composite fabric of that region. Because we have seen that in 1978, how that composite fabric was torn apart by the violence that took place in that region. And now the government is once again trying to re-stretch that composite fabric, and they're also trying to restore that Sanskriti of the region that has been buried there for the last so many years. So they are trying to unearth those spots, and already they have a earmarked amount and budget for that those Sanskritic spots, so that once again they can be restored, those heritage sites, and they are able to once again get more and more people towards Sambhal region, so that the footfall of the tourists also increase. Because once the tourism is going to increase, that's going to give fillip to the economy, and that once there is a fillip to the economy, that's going to benefit each and every section of society. It's not going to benefit any particular community. On the other hand, I've seen that many of the schools are also coming up, and because I was a part of several meetings that was being chaired by the Deputy Commissioner, the District Magistrate there, Rajinder Pensia. They are trying to ensure that schools, there need to be biodiversity park. They're trying with so many other programs, but unfortunately, Asaduddin Owaisi will not be there talking about, because deliberately he's trying to politicize issue. That is the biggest problem. That's one of the reasons that the Sambhal
Not for the
administration
first
is
time
not
where
allowing.
politics over the violence that happened in Sambhal last month is taking place. However, when it comes to the questions over the very establishment of a police outpost is being questioned by the opposition, both by Owaisi's MIM and also Akhilesh Yadav, Samajwadi Party. Thank you very much for the moment, Pradeep Datta.